So yeah, those beanies are all done. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to start some t-shirts, and I also have to do some hats. What's up? We have a few things going on today. We've already started, so we're gonna. I don't know if we're gonna print that. I'm hoping we can hopefully get close to printing that. I also have this going, the Topidi stuff, and I am on the last two beanies for this order. Then we just need to clean them up, and they should be ready. After that, we're gonna jump into one of these two boxes. They both have 50 shirts, so we'll see which one we get done, and this as well. So this and that, I think next is this. So once we finish that, we're gonna do the rest of all of the shirts. But yeah, that's the two color print, front and back. Let's get it.
I don't know where the time goes, it just flies when I hold you close. In my arms with your eyes closed, for the first time I've got hope. I don't ever wanna lose you now. I don't think I'll make it here without. I don't ever wanna lose you now. I don't think I'll make it here without, 'cause it's you.
Alright, so all of this sweaters are done. It's a little blown out. But these sweaters are done. I have all the beanies done as well. I need to do some hats. So that's done. Let me fix that. Why is this not? So yeah, those beanies are all done. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to start some t-shirts, and I also have to do some hats and obviously clean those up. So that's what we're doing next. I'm gonna do the hats.